Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. In today's video, we'll be teaching you guys how to use AI to write code for you. So this is only for educational purposes only, so use it at your own risk. So what we're going to do is, so the website is called ChatGPT. Search it up and come to the first option. Come down here and click on chat. Try it. And make sure you log in or sign up. Okay, so just to show you guys that this works, we're going to go on pseudocode examples and we're going to be converting it from pseudocode to Python. So we're going to copy this one, let's say, Control C, and then come over to Notepad, and basically type in this command, change this pseudocode to Python code, and then put the pseudocode, copy the whole thing, come back to ChatGPT, enter it, and then press enter. And there you go, just like that. This AI literally does everything for you. Or if you want, you can type create a code that takes we're gonna write create a code, create a calculator. Yeah, we'll just say that. And just like that, look, that's insane. That is literally insane. So you can convert from pseudocode to Python. You can create small programs. Let's type in create a restaurant program that takes input from user. Burger price is $15. Kebab price is $10, and fries price is $2. And let's just say, let's just give it a random thing, and my name is Bob. Let's see what it does. The username is set to Bob. Look at that. Look at this. This is really scary. And it explains the code as well. Anyway, guys, that's ChatGPT. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments section below what you guys did. And always remember, this is for educational purposes only, so don't try doing anything dodgy or weird. Anyways, until next time, I'll see you again.